Hello, wonderful world of YouTube. It's Alex. Today, I'm at Grandpa's Cheese Barn here in Ashland, Ohio. Originally opening in 1978 by Grandma and Grandpa Baum, this little cheese barn here in Ashland, Ohio has grown quite a bit over the years. Celebrating 47 years as of this year, it has a lot to offer. Cheese, sweets, honey, maple syrup, meats. This place has it all. If you want to look for something to grill out with some good burgers or have some sweets for your sweetheart, you could probably find it here. After all, they have a lot of options here at Grandpa's Cheese Barn. My personal favorite, of course, has got to be the smoked Gouda cheese. It's really good. In fact, while I was here today, I picked up another wheel. It's just off of I-71 and milepost 187. So if you're in the area driving down to Columbus from Cleveland, or vice versa, you can stop here and get a little lunch. Overall, it's a pretty neat little place in the heart of it all in Ohio. So until next time, stay wandering.